Peace, my name is Brandan, BMikeOdoms, and I presented the Art and Activism Workshop at the Know Your Rights camp here in Oakland. Seeing Dr. Angela Davis, Colin Kaepernick, and Nessa on stage today was amazing. I mean, so many spaces that I occupy, her words have been present. So many spaces I dreamed to build, her words are instructing how that should happen. And so it was just amazing to see her speak and to see how that dance between generation in terms of Colin presenting a contemporary version of what it means to respond to injustice, and Dr. Angela Davis presenting like this historic lens of, 82 years old and thinking about how she still has the stamina to still show up and still be present and to speak life into young folks who should know who she is. Hopefully they know who she is, and if not, they know who she is now. And so I was just grateful to be in the room. When she spoke about how her mother instructed her that what she saw in Birmingham, Alabama wasn't the way things will always be and wasn't the way things should be. And we spoke about that when we did our presentation in terms of how our radical imagination allows us to see beyond the present, and thinking about how that was sort of the battery in her back at an early age, just understanding that what I see is not what I have to accept. And the whole goal of the Art and Activism Workshop is to get these kids to understand that they can see something beyond what's in front of them and use that as a North Star to organize. It's not an art contest, it's not a measurement of skill. It's an opportunity to, at its best, get messy and to make mistakes and to find joy in that process, to find joy in the midst of the process. That it's not only when you complete and when you have a quote unquote masterpiece in front of you, it's when you have this dance with yourself, with conditions, with tools, with community, and it's beautiful the whole way. And the end result is just the lagniappe, is just the byproduct of that joyful journey. And so I think that's a way that I try to look at art, as a tool for reminding me that this work doesn't have to be so heavy all the time, that it can be a practice of joy.